My one friend had an Achilles injury, and for a year, she was like, her Achilles hurt. She couldn't do anything. She actually went on a 5-day fast, which don't panic if you're listening to this, but she went on a 5-day fast, and she said her Achilles has never been better. Her Achilles is better than it was before she had that injury. So it's really a matter of just massive amounts of healing. I think increased, you said weight loss, but besides weight loss, it's increased fat burning. Mm-hmm. And so it's because your body doesn't have the sugar. So besides a regular, some kind of diet, it's massive amounts of fat burning. The other thing is lowered blood insulin and sugar levels. So before I started doing fasting, I was right on that borderline of being pre-diabetic. And so now that I've been doing fasting, my blood sugar is more stable than it's ever been. I've seen people who it's completely reversed their type 2 diabetes.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waste Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waste Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the fastingresetsummit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.